All right, a lot of moving parts here. We get to the latest chaos on Wall Street now.
Yeah, if you've strolled through social media today, you've probably been hearing a lot about video game retailer GameStop. Yesterday, stock for GameStop skyrocketed, but today, GameStop's stock actually lost all of its pre-market gains, and they took a nosedive after the free trading app Robinhood banned buying GameStop, AMC, and some other stocks targeted by traders. And this led to an online uproar. A class action lawsuit is now in the works. And tonight, News 5's Jay Jarvis, well, she explains it all. She breaks it down and what it means for investors big and small.
Right now, GameStop is one of the most highly traded stocks in the United States, up more than 1,700% since the beginning of January. But for years now, the company has been struggling as sales at online retailers surge.
GameStop's performance financially over the past several years, their income has declined pretty significantly.
So why have its stocks skyrocketed in price? Keith Beverly with investment advisory firm Grid 202 Partners says it all started with a stock market concept called shorting.
When you short the stock, you're really borrowing it and you don't own the stock.
Investors bet that a company's stock price will drop and then borrow and sell shares of that stock, hoping that when it does finally drop, they can buy the shares back cheaply and pocket the difference. Several hedge funds took that risky bet with GameStop, hoping to cash in, but it hasn't quite worked out. Users on the popular Reddit community Wall Street Bets noticed the large amount of short trades against GameStop and rallied the rest of the online community to buy as much of the company's stock as possible using Robinhood, a free stock trading app. It's called a short squeeze.
These Reddit users are holding on to those shares, and by holding on to those shares, they're not able to sell them back to anybody. People keep buying higher and higher, so there's no shares for these firms to buy at a lower price. So they're basically a war between the Reddit users and these hedge funds.
Gregory Steinberger and his classmates in the Baldwin Wallace Investment Club have been watching the battle play out, trying to figure out what this means for the stock market. Some hedge funds have already lost billions.
Kind of hard to tell where this is going to go and the long-term effects of this. Currently, it's actually messing with a couple of different trading platforms.
Thursday, Robinhood restricted users from buying shares of GameStop and other stocks. Soon after, it was hit with a class action lawsuit claiming it was manipulating the open market. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and the White House have also spoken on the matter, saying they're monitoring the situation. And as that situation continues to change day by day, Beverly is warning people to be smart with their investments.
Tread very carefully and do your due diligence because there's going to be very wild market movements.
Jade Jarvis, News 5.